like a refrigerator. I keep cool. I have shelves to store fruits and vegetables. I am important in every kitchen. The refrigerating process destroys vitamins B and C. At the same time, I release chlorofluorocarbon, which damages ozone layer. Use me as less as possible. Thank you.